What's up, guys? The Sydney Trains and New South Wales Training Channel speaking to you. I am here at Olympic Park for Olympic Park part number 2. This wasn't requested by anybody, but if you'd like to put your name down for part 3, let me know in the comment section below. Here we have an M set on platform number 2. It's the Royal Easter Show today, and for until the 8th of April. Now, front 4 cars M2. This set is M10. Here's A77 on platform number 3. Schofield service, stopping at Lidcombe, Granville, Parramatta, all stations to Black, Seven Hills, then Blacktown, Marion, Quakers Hill, and Schofield. A77 is the set. And god damn it, you know that sound that you heard in video 2 at 8? Well, that was the sound. So, yes, anyway. That was announcements. Great, Grant Goldman. Now, there's a very good surprise up the concourse there that I'd like to show you a bit later. M-Set is about to depart platform number 2, Central Service. Or Sydney Central Service, anyway. Stopping at Strathfield, Redfern, Central. M10 front 4 cars and 2 rear 4 cars, I believe. Was I going that way? Might be going that way. Oh, I actually have no idea. Yeah, anyway, for the M-Set. Still announcement. That's pretty cool. M-Set now departing platform number 2. Sydney Terminal Service. Yes, it's going this way. M2 front 4 cars. M10 rear 4 cars. Departing now. Departing now. Train approaching platform number 3. I think it's a Tangara. By God, it is! It's a K set. Woohoo! Very good seeing a K set running Olympic Park today. K88 is the front 4 cars arriving to platform number 3, Olympic Park service. Very good seeing a K set. This train will stop at Lidcombe, Granville, Harris Park, Parramatta, all stations to Penrith. K94 is the rear 4 cars of this K set. K set now departing platform 3, Penrith service. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have to wrap this tour up now, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now. And this is the surprise I was talking about. T-Switch! Platform 1, 2, 3, 4, Sydney Central, and Penrith. So, yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.